Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Bobrisky professes love for Moonfar. Popular Nigerian cross-dresser and self-acclaimed transgender Bobrisky has professed love for Moonfar. In a recent post made on social media, Bobrisky shared a picture of Ismaila Mustafa aka Moonfar, where he inscribed the words "I love him." This comes a day after Moonfar was rearraigned by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) before a High Court, Lagos, over 32.9 billion naira alleged internet fraud. Moonfar was first arraigned by the commissioner on 14 counts bordering on fraud, money laundering, running a foreign exchange business without the authorization of the Central Bank of Nigeria. He was arraigned along his firm, Ismalop Global Investment Limited. He had pleaded not guilty to the charges and was granted bail in the sum of 100 million naira, with one surety in like sum. On Wednesday, the amended 22-count charge was read over the defendant and he pleaded not guilty in all counts. Stay tuned for more updates on this case, and if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe.